should be given the same comfortability and same respect, not the status but the respect. Fooding allowance should be there, and prior to that, one luggage carry bag, this suitcase has to be allowed for him. Some medicinal data has to be collected prior for that person going there. I mean, it is not to the given to the person, it is to be kept visible to the car hirer through the app. In case the person falls sick or there is a blood things like that, may not we shouldn't pray for that, we should pray not for that, but in case that, so the person hiring the car pressing that button gets the medical detail in case of emergency of the driver in the hospital or whatever in the outstation. It is for a good look after. In the other way round, the driver has also to be given the data or the SOS number, so that he is traveling to separate district. So whenever needed, he can contact, say, my owner is feeling so, please contact the nearest police station or hospital and tell me the information that you have contacted. And then itself, in case such case, the service provider will impose the route to the next hospital or the police station or the hotel or the so, despite of the original route. I mean, the deviation can be imposed on the map itself, so that it may happen that the car has to take a turn around or U-turn and go back another few kilometers to reach the hospital or so, in case of emergency. Okay, political party or say hospital or say petrol pump or things like that. Another point is that in case of long run, there should be an option of showing the petrol pumps and service centers and things like that in case there is needed. I mean, this is a very keep at hand option. This is there. And as a last very modern suggestion, I think I want to say that there should be electric cars, vehicles available for shorter distance. Suppose I book a car for the day and I assure you that it is going to run only 120 kilometers, I mean only less than 100 kilometers. The fact is that I am as a family going to the mall to purchase something, then another mall to dine and to take the lunch and see the movie, then another park for a relaxation in family, and then go to visit someone's house and return back, and this happens within the periphery of 100 kilometers guaranteed. If not, I am to pay the towing charges, because it is a electric vehicle which can run only 120 kilometers. Otherwise, I have to pay the make the availability of getting it recharged for another few kilometers that I want to run. Whatever, for 100 kilometers, 120 kilometers as the maximum to be set. Suppose I have to pay so much. Above that, I have to recharge it on my own facility providing and personal expense. But then a little more, say 2% or 3% to be extra for the owner, and certainly more for the driver also. This will reduce the cost of per day traveling for many persons. Suppose for a certain reason a service holder needs to travel to his service station, service office, sorry, service office, sorry, not service office, it's office, for 7 days without taking his car, because it is in renovation, or maybe it is given to some relative for his personal use, as he has come to as a vacation over here. So in that case, he has to travel just up to the office and back from the office, put a little here there for marketing. So which is not at all, and can never at all be more than say 100 kilometers, rather 70 kilometers, rather 50 kilometers. say 70 or 80 kilometers, not exceeding the amount of as determined by the electric vehicle as full charge travel. So in that case, if he takes petrol or diesel, that is, he has to take it because he has to take the cost. In that case, if he takes a bike, it is very ridiculous. People will laugh at him because he goes up and down in his own car. Maybe he's with in his own driver, private driver. So therefore, an electric car hiring system will help him to save the extra cost. It may so happen that he finds it to be less costly, if not cheaper, less costly, maybe cheaper also, than taking his own car and own this thing driver every day. So in cases of extra work or um, meetings that may held, seminars that may be held wrong, the duty of hours are more or so, he may take his own car. Otherwise, it is cheaper for him to drive in electric vehicles. For further expansion of business, the particular corporate sector can also hire electric vehicles instead of conventional vehicles, fuel vehicles, as for office drop on and drop off. In that case, the hours of may extend to 8 to 12 hours, but then just to drive to in and to the office and out of to the residence. So in that case, the driver has the relaxation of driving so much kilometer per hour per day, and not charged. I mean, not burdened with the basis based on driving so much hours. Hence, all this setup are my suggestions. Thank you for that.